What's up, cool kids? FD White. So quick video talking about Bitcoin. We have made, or we are making, a lower high. So we talked about this on a video yesterday. We said we're looking good. We did get back into that 92k range. Right now we're hovering around 89.9 to 90k. So right now what we want to do is break out. We want to break out of that downward sloping trend line. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please make sure you go and watch my last video that I posted yesterday. It'll be the video right before this one. We talked about breaking back above that 96, 97k area, then making that next step above that 100k area. So we didn't close below 92, 93k yesterday. We closed around 94k for the weekly close, so that was good. So we got a little bit of time to figure out and see what Bitcoin wants to do on the weekly. We got time. So no need to panic. But we did create a CME gap yesterday, or that last week. We closed 85 or 86k last Friday, and then we opened this Friday around 94, 93, 94k. So we did create somewhat of a $10,000 CME gap. So we may come down to feel that. It's a lot of things at play right now. We do have the White House crypto party. I don't know, I forgot the word that they're using, but some type of event that's happening at the White House for crypto. So I don't know exactly when that date will be, but we have to watch out for that. We have to watch out for actually specifics when it comes to the strategic reserves. We got the XRP, Solana, ADA, Bitcoin, Ethereum, but we need specifics now. We're running out of catalysts. We're running out of good news. I saw somebody post that yesterday, and I really thought about it. Like, okay, everybody was pricing in the strategic reserve going into the inauguration. We didn't get it. We started to draw down. Now we got the news of the crypto strategic reserve. Now, what is the catalyst that brings us further? What is the catalyst that propels us past that 109, past new all-time highs, getting up to those 120, 140, 160, possibly 200k areas that everybody has been predicting or talking about for this cycle, and even more? A lot of people are super bullish. I'm bullish. I don't know how bullish I am, if I'm like that bullish, 200, 300k, Bitcoin anytime soon, but I'm definitely bullish. I definitely want us, or see the potential of us getting past 109 for sure. But like I said, in the crypto market, in the overall macro environment, what's going on in the economy, with everything being so unpredictable right now, it's kind of tough to predict what's going to happen. Nobody predicted on a Sunday that Trump and his administration would drop that news of the strategic reserve. So now we have to be intently in tune to what's going on pretty much every day on a regular basis if we want to maintain some of our positions, or babysit our positions a little bit, like I've been doing with most of them are long-term holds. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, ADA, long-term holds. We are looking to scale into some more positions that's a little bit more riskier, not too risky, but a little bit more riskier than what we have now. So we'll be continuing to watch that. But for the most part, I just want to see what Bitcoin is going to do in the immediate short term. This week, like I said, is very, very, very key to see if we are going to just create some sort of a macro lower high. Are we going to continue to hold below that 93k area, 92, 93k area? Are we going to go back down to fill that CME gap? Are we going to do a double bottom, retest that 79k area? So it's a lot in the air, a lot that we have to look for technically. Fundamentally, it's very uncertain time, so that's why you don't see sustained runs. You don't see sustained moves. You see a lot of moves happen yesterday. Now a lot of these coins are retracing back. We are seeing if we can turn resistance into support on some of these altcoins, but a lot of them have retraced this whole move from yesterday. So just stay in tune. Make sure you like, subscribe. I will continue to keep you updated daily to let you know what I'm doing on a daily basis. Right now, I'm back sitting on my hands to see how we interact with this 90 to 92, 93k area, if we're just going to make some sort of a lower high, or if we're going to continue our path forward and flip that 93 back into support. So I'll be continuing to keep you guys updated. Just a quick update. We are going to go make some videos, some technical videos of some altcoins that you guys are requesting. Bitcoin dominance did shoot up about 1.5% today, so we are watching that as well. So a lot of people did take profits and go into Bitcoin, it seems like, but it does seem like, you know, a lot of people are nervous about that move. So a lot of people, I also saw this before we got out of here. I also saw people talking about that was the escape move, meaning we went down, got back up. Now it's time to sell your bags before we go back down even more. So it's so hard to navigate right now, but like I said, it depends on your time frame. If you're longer term, mid term, short term, that will determine how you react. That will determine how you move in this market. And we're all three. We're pretty much all three, because we do trade short term, we do care mid term, but long term we're bullish. So, you know, on most of these top assets, most of these top coins in the top 10 right now, we're pretty bullish on that. So that's just, you know, just a quick rundown of what I'm looking at. If anything happens of significance, we'll be back with a new video a little bit later, but it's really not nothing to watch. Just technically watch those levels, watch us breaking back above that 93, holding 93, really getting back above that 96, 97K area, holding that as support to create another high, or, you know, seeing if we can take out that high from a few weeks ago and getting back above 100K to make a new high. We don't want to make a lower high coming back down and then, you know, retracing this whole move that we just made since yesterday. But it's a long week. We got a long week ahead, so stay in tune, stay diligent, like I keep saying, and we'll take it from here, a day at a time, people. So it's FD White. I will talk to you in a minute. Have a good day.